Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings, and we're here still at Ponty Clean, Talbot Green, waiting for, we have one Bravo 97 which is a Swansea to Paddington Express, and we could also have one Bravo 35 which is a Paddington to Swansea Express, but if that doesn't go through then it won't go through. One Bravo 97, it's on its way, and I've been reliably informed that it's a Class 800. Oh my word, the sun's coming out. The sun is coming out, and we've got ALS videos down there recording too. Shout out to him. And yes, the sun is coming out. After the terrible rain we had earlier, the sun is coming out. The train is coming momentarily. I believe I can hear it. Approaching now. Hang on, I got my Bravos mixed up. Hang on. Okay, one Bravo 97 was a Fishguard Harbour to Cardiff Central service, but now we are waiting for a London Paddington to Swansea service definitely. Okay, so we've got the Paddington to Swansea Express approaching now. Very nice. So we had a 43005 at the front and the Intercity 125 service powercar at the rear. And now you want to see that 800? Well, you just have to wait for the next video. I shall see you next video, and goodbye.